Hello everyone, I hope you are in extremely well. So today in this video we are going to cover the page layout technique of a HTML. How to classify it or how to separate a page into three or more different sections so that it will be easier for us to make modify it into whenever we need to modify it will be easier for us. So basically if a web page, okay, if there will be a web page, there will be web page, we must have to classify that into three different sections so that it will be easier for us to analyze the code and to modify the code with efficient manner. So if we have a human body, okay, human body, this is a leg, and this is a head part, this is the hand. Okay, so we call this as a head part. This is our main part, and this is our footer part. So similarly, whenever we design a web page, we must have to classify that page into three or more different sections so that a body tag will be separated into three or more different sections. That will be an body header, and that will be main tag, and one another is footer. Okay, so this header and this main and footer, I hope you are understand it. This in the next time, inside main tag there will be three or different tag that will be not that much of it needed or that much of interesting. It will be very simple, it all are similar basically. So this section and article and SI tag, okay, these three tags are allowed to store the content. Okay, suppose this will be our content. Uh, so the three tag having the similar property. So if you are writing some content inside a main tag, so that will be use section that make a separate section for you to write a code. Okay, and this one similar for this. So the okay, so let's try this up to this code. Okay, so suppose we have a basic boilerplate code, and we want to classify the body part into three different sections. That is header, and inside header, and after we want to write main tag and footer. Okay, why we write this one? Because this will make us simple to understand. If we design a web page, so in header part, whatever content we want to display in head section, that will be display in a header part. Let me show head head section. Okay, section. This is main part, and last one is footer. Whenever we make it open with live server, then you might see that, see, okay, wait, I was showing something. See, this is called as a header, and this is a main part, and this is a footer. Entire body is classified into three section. This is header, this is main, and this one is footer. So this entire is called as a body. So similarly, whenever we design something, we must have to classify the section, classify the page into three different section: header, main, and footer. So basically, after this, we have a anchor tag, and there will be some attribute that target equal to main. This tell that for whenever we click to a text, it will taking a new tab. Okay, it will take out a new website with new tab. Okay, let us see. So I make it out, and I just write anchor tab inside anchor tab. It's a ef HTTP. Because I want to copy it Google link. Okay. Why should I go and search Google? HTTPS. Yes, it has already copied. Okay. So if I write this like so, after open with live server, open with live server. So whenever I click Google here, see here no need it display the Google link with same tab. It take out us with the same tab. Okay. So let's see another difference. Make it copy out and paste here. But here I have to write some attribute. That attribute what? Forget. Let us see. That attribute is target equal to main. Okay. Target is equal to main. Okay. Let us try. Both are there. See this. Whenever I click here, it take out a Google link with same tab. Okay. So this one is another one. Whenever I click here, see this new tab will be open for us. Okay. New tab is open for us with Google link. Okay. See this is the basic difference. So after this one, I have already revisiting image tab. Okay. Suppose I want to paste an image. To search an image, Google image. Okay. Google image. I come to here and I take out which one will be better. Let us see. What is Google? Oh, image. I will take out this one. Copy this. Copy image address. Okay. So I want to write this one. And I want image SFC. Inside SFC, I want to paste the link, making it out and close the image tab. Okay. So see, this is your Google link. So see, this will be very bigger. And suppose we want to adjust the height, width of the image, we can pass here height equal to 50 pixel and width is equal to 100 pixel. See, whenever I make it run out, it will be smaller with adjusted its size. Okay, interesting one. You can try it your own. So in the next, there will be deep tag. Okay, what is the deep? Deep is very important tag for us. So deep is very important tag because this deep tag contain the used for other HTML element. Suppose this is a div. Okay, div means suppose consider as a container. Whatever tags we want to store, suppose we want to create a div. So inside the web page there will be creation of a box. Box means there will be create some spaces. Inside spaces, whatever content, whatever the tag, whatever you can write inside the div tag, that will be allow for us. Because why we use div tag? Whenever you want to design the web page, that time div will very helpful for us to design the web page with interactive and efficient manner. Okay, so basically div is allowed to store the HTML elements and tags. Okay, this is a very considered as a block element or takes a full width. Means suppose you want to create a div, so the div will be taking the full width of your web page. Okay, let us try create an div. Okay, so what do we do? I just making this all cut out. Okay. So I want to create a div, and inside div, whatever we can write, we can paste here. Okay. I don't think that I have right to welcome to my portfolio, and this is something content I want to pass. And after passing, see this same output will come, but what's the different? Why you use div? That will I will show you. So go inspect, click here. See, this will be considered as a div. This entire is my heading one. This is my paragraph one. This heading and paragraph are going through under a div. See, the output will come with a div with height and width passes here. Okay, so the div means indicate that whatever the element that you can pass store inside the div will be allowed. Okay, so my next will be list of div tag. There will be address, there will be article, a site blog, and many more tags are available inside that going under the div field. Okay, so you can understand it. This see this here h1 to h6. These are also going under the div tag. Header, HR, list. List will be we will going through learn. Okay, list, UL, OL. Okay, section, table. We will also learn about this tag. Nav. These all are going under div tag. Okay. So span tag means what is a span tag? Span is also a container used for other HTML element. It is inline element. See, there will be block element and here will be inline element. So what is the difference between block and inline element? Uh, the block element. Suppose this will be div. Suppose this is a web page, and suppose I want to create a div. So the div will be taking the full width. Why not? This is a block element which cover the entire width. So span, what is a span? Span is an inline element. Inline element means it taking the width as per the requirement. It taking the width, but div taking the full width, but span taking the required width. As that much of width we required, that only that much of width will taking the span, not like div. Okay, so let us try span. So basically, this is our div, and we want to create a span. Inside span, we can write hello, hello. This is tag. So whenever I click it and make it open with live server, you will see a difference. Sorry, you're going to see a difference. Okay, what's the difference? See, whenever the D will contain the entire width, but he see the span. Span has taking the width as per the requirement. See here, the mentioning the width is at 18. Okay, so the D will be taking the entire width, but the span will taking the required width. Okay, I hope you are understand that. And our next will be list of span. See this anchor tag, b tag, big br tag, button, and this all are the tags that going under span which cover the required with as per the requirement. Okay, so list in HTML. List, suppose we want to add the element into a list. Suppose I want to making a list with I want to suppose I want to making it with like fruits name, and inside the fruits name I want to eat apple, banana, everything that's orange, um, everything, pineapple, whatever the things that you can add it into a list, that will be. So this list are used, this list are can be possible by HTML. So this list are basically order manner or on order manner, order manner and on order manner. Okay, so these are available. This order tag will be defined with UL, and this or on order is defined with UL, and this order will be defined with the OL. So see, this UL tag will be suppose I want to making the list with on order manner, so I can use UL tag. Okay, inside the UL, this li tag is used. What's the li? Li tag is used for element. Suppose I want to pass as a element apple. So this is li element. Inside li element, I can pass apple. So mango also I can pass as li mango. So this will be come with an unordered manner. See this OL. OL means apple, mango. This each element which passes with li element. Okay. So let us see an example. Suppose I want to make it comment out. I can cancel it. So I want to make a div. Okay. Div. So inside div, I want to passes the. I want to make a heading too. I can write uh, this. The fruit country list. Okay. I can write this one only. And inside that, suppose I want to making it order manner or unorder manner. Okay. So suppose I want to make it o- order manner. Okay. So that I can use OL. Inside OL, I can write each element li India. Okay. India, USA, Canada. Like another one is Australia, Germany, whatever you can want. And suppose I want to create another div, and creating it two. These are the country list. Okay. Suppose I want to make this so UL, inside UL I can write LI India, LI USA, LI whatever you can. So whenever I make it run out, so see what the different come you have seen. See, this is a country list with order manner. Order means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the unorder manner, like bold will become. You can go and Google like OLUL in HTML. You can search OLUL in HTML. You'll be seeing there will be attribute, variety of attribute for displaying. Suppose I want to display this as a Roman letter, so I can pass this into a Roman. And suppose I want to making it boxes or square, whatever I can use the properties. So see this HTML, and I can go attribute another list, and there will be some attribute. Okay. See, there will be list style type. There will be an attribute. So you can use disk, circle, and none. Okay. See, this will be inside the style. I can type. I can use this one. Okay. I copy this one and come here, and I can pass here. Okay. So I can see here bullet point will be displayed, and I can show you disk. Inside the disk, I can write circle, circle. I can write circle also. So with the help of C, this will be different will be. So I can use this as a Roman letter. I can cover this as a Roman letter. Right. Okay. Circle means number Roman, lower Roman or upper Roman, whatever the attribute you can want, you can pass it. See, this will be different from any other. So up to this video, up to these things we are covered on this video. In the next video, we are going to cover the tables and form of a HTML. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. I hope do like, share, and subscribe.